Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So today I have decided to speak on something very strange, and the title itself reads, "We even don't know." So what do we really don't know? Okay, from the realm of science, we don't know a lot of things. We are still ignorant of the things around us. Okay, and when we look at the universe in general, then we are forced to say that yes, we don't know a lot of things about the universe. Say, for example, uh, you have the oceans. You say, for take the greatest ocean, the Pacific Ocean. We still don't know what lies in the depths of the oceans, what lies in those dark regions of the ocean. Also, we don't know what kind of deep sea creatures live there. Okay, moreover, okay, we even don't know, okay, how the animal kingdom properly interact with each other. We can give us out some theories, or we might know some amount of their interaction procedures, but we really don't know exactly how these things go on. For example, it is said that the snakes can detect earthquake. How do they do so? Or some animals, they can detect earthquake. How do they do so? We are just theorizing, okay, it may be this or that, but we cannot really or we cannot strictly say that no, it happens to this way or that way. Also, if you look at an atom, we really don't know the mechanism of an atom. What is the strangest fact is that the quantum wall is being governed by the Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. Okay, so just briefly saying, if you know the position of something, you don't know the momentum of the other thing. Also, for example, we still don't know the facts of an electron which resides in an atom, the quarks which makes up the protons and the neutrons are something very fascinating to us, and we are still studying all this. So there are a lot of things which we don't know. Okay, science is still progressing. We don't say that science has progressed and so we know everything. For example, is look at this vast universe, this vast sky. This sky is so vast, and our planet Earth, if you leave the planet Earth on one side, we will say that we don't know a lot of things about the Earth. Then stop saying and saying or asking us about the universe, because scientists say that they know at least 4% or less than 4% of this universe. We even don't know where we reside in the Milky Way. We even don't know what is our exact coordinates in the universe. We even don't know properly how the universe started, though we can say with some kind of certainty that the universe began from some kind of massive type of an explosion, theoretically, just literally saying, and that is something we can say. The people say it is the Big Bang. Okay, then we even don't know for how long will the universe expand, because at this present amount of time it is expanding. We even don't know how many of our body mechanisms work. Look into ourselves, and then we get amazed how beautifully our body mechanisms work. How this eye, these two eyes that have been given to us by Allah, they work so perfectly. And you look at the camera lenses nowadays, in order to get a better kind of video or a picture, you need to purchase very costly equipments, but these two are a gift to us. and we are not able to recreate such exact kind of things that we see with our eye with the help of the artificial things. So human knowledge is limited. Human knowledge is limited. It can never be equal to the knowledge, to the beauty that God has created. If we humans try to recreate something, say for example this, this is a banana leaf. We even cannot create exactly like this. The softness, the beauty, the simplicity of this banana leaf is unique. So when we humans try to do something, it is not that we humans can't do, we can do, but we cannot do at this level of accuracy. Okay. So this is the limitations of human mind, or I should say of human knowledge. So I just wanted to make you realize that science is not something which knows everything. It happens through the progress of human mind, and if human mind goes wrong, that means science goes wrong. So you have to blame human mind, not science. So assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.